Hi everyone, myself Shukumar, and the topic is now we're gonna discuss about the importance of innovation in the robotic industries. The innovation is not just about making robot faster, it's about making them transformative. And then what is robot is really is. Before dividing into innovation, it's helpful to establish a baseline understanding of what robotics industries uh, encompass. Robotic in the intersection of science, engineering, and technology that produce machines, robots that can substitute for humans in executing difficult or repetitive tasks. In that, there are two types of there. One is the core components, and second one is key areas of application. In the core components, there are four types of this. First one is mechanical design and electrical engineering and computer science and then artificial intelligence. And another one key areas of application is in that manufacturing and assembly, languages and supply chain, healthcare and surgery and exploration like space and deep sea. Then we're gonna move to the power of innovation. What does it means in robotics? Like innovation in robotics in the process of generating new ideas, methods, and devices that improve existing robots or creating entirely new application. It is the necessary investment of ensuring in the industry remaining dynamic and relevant in an ever changing the world. In that, the first one is technical breakthrough. In that, we're gonna talk about the technical breakout through developing new materials, sensor, and power source that push our robotics and innovation performance into limits, and then solving complex problems like creating robots capable of handling non-linear unpredictable environmental and tasks like disaster relief or personalized care. And then the third one is economic value creation. The economic value creation is the lowering production costs, increasing efficiency, and opening up entirely new markets where automation was preciously impossible. Without these communications or commitment to constant change, robotics becomes statement unable to meet Spotify's demands. And then we gonna next robot making life better, like example of innovation. Recent innovation have moved robotic form of factory floor to our everyday lives, delivering tangible improvements in various sectors, like in the example shown in the PPT, like positive impact of forward thinking designs and engineering. The first one is precision healthcare, uh, and the second one is last mile logistics, and third one is elderly care assistant. And we're gonna talk about the first one. What is precision healthcare? The precision healthcare is robotic assisted surgery allows for minimally invasive production with unpairdable accuracy, leading to faster patient recovery times and reducing risk. It helps in hospital and healthcare, like giving advice some doctor in the some surgery and some uh, in the healthcare. And we gonna move to the next one, like last mile logistics. Autonomous delivery robotics are optimizing supply chains by handling short distance transformation and efficiency and reducing the environmental footprint of deliveries. And the third one is elderly care assistant, like nowadays the elder have loneliness. In that, the robot give them to native like feeling and joining the time pass with the elders and helping elderly individual like feelingly. That's the work of elderly care assistant in innovation robots. And now we're gonna move to the how innovations improves robots, like in the form of faster, smarter, and the stronger, like speed and efficiency, intelligence, and strength and durability. Now, innovation focused on enhancing the core capability of robots across the three key dimensions, like speed, intelligence, and physical realization. Now, we're gonna talk about the first one, like speed and efficiency. New motor design, lighter material, and optimized algorithm reduce cycle times in manufacturing, achieving higher throughout the lower energy consumption. And the second one is intelligence, like AI integration. And in that, integration of advanced AI and machine learning allows robot to learn from their environments, adapt to change, and make complex decisions in real time, moving beyond simple programmable task. And then we're gonna move to the third one, like called name called is strength and durability. uh, the strength and durability of the robot. Advancement in materials science since results in stronger, lighter, and more complement robots bodies that can witness harsh environmental, increasing longevity and reliability. This improvement enable now new generation of robots that more collaborative, safe to work alongside the in the industry and the real world also. And now we're gonna talk about the new way to use robots, like opening up to new doors, like now how to make use the robots in the now new generation, like beyond simply improving existing application, innovation open entirely new market, like this expansion into previously automation sector as significant driver of economic growth and social change. In the opening up new doors are deep sea exploration and space colonization. And the another one is uh, subsistence and agriculture. And then we're gonna move to the next one of our innovation in robotics. Staying ahead of the game, like why innovation keeps up competitive. Now we're gonna go through that. In the global market, robotic is highly competitive sector. Continuous innovation is essential for maintaining market leadership and nation competitiveness. Countries and companies that fail to innovative risk being rapidly overtaken. Like the competitive edge are Uh, Now gonna go through that. What are the competitive edge of the like country and some large companies are? The company's edge are innovation creates properly technologies and patient that secure long-term advantages. It allows companies to offer unique value proportion that competition cannot easily replace it. Further, more early adaptation of next generation technologies such as advanced sectors or sensors, fusion, quantum computing for AI, and then can dramatically reduce operational cost and enhancing product quality. This pursuit of next generation performance uh, detects future success in the international technology race. Now the AI and innovation are like rapidly going in the our real world. Now we are not able to find out this is the perfect and this is the perfect. That's why the we are not exactly saying that this is the perfect one, this is the only one we are all are using. That's why the environment is next generation is performance detects future success, and the AI and success is growing and innovation more and more in this generation. Now challenges to innovation, like what makes it tricky. uh, Challenges like what are the innovation robotics innovation into challenges. uh, while the rewards of innovation are significant, the journey is fraught with obstacles. Overcoming these challenges require strategies, planning, significant investment, and global collaboration. Those are now we're gonna talk about the what are the global collaboration. Those are on regulator heartless, and then high capability high capa ఇది high capital requirement, and then talent shortages and integration complexities. And now we're gonna talk about the first one, like regulatory hurdles. Like new technologies often outpace legacies, creating substituting and around safety standard, data privacy, and ethical guidance, partially for autonomous system. And now we're going to talk about the second one called high capital requirements, like robotic and RD is expensive and time consuming, requiring vast financial resources and long lead times before communication viabilities is achieved. And the third one is talent shortage. The talent shortage is like persistent lack of highly specialized engineers and AI developers, and robotics technical shows slows down development of deployment. And the third one is integration of complexity. The fourth one is integration of complexity. The integration complexity is developing robots that can seamlessly integrate with the legacy industrial system and human terms, patients, significant technologies and technicians challenges. And what are the future robot dreams, like what next for robotic innovation. And now we're gonna see the what are the dreams of robot in innovation. Looking ahead, the next wave of innovation promise to redefine the relationship between humans and machines. moving towards world of truly intuitive, collaborative, and self-improving robot systems like soft robot, swarm intelligence, and hyper personalization, and then ethical AI integration. Now we're gonna go through the soft robots like called developing flexible, complicated robots made of soft materials, making them safe for humans integration and capable of uh, operating in delaying in environmental. And the second innovation called swarm intelligence, like creating large group of simple autonomous robots that communicate and coordinate cooperate to solve complex tasks, and collectively, such as monitoring large agriculture fields of cleaning up oil spills. Now in this generation we have facing the large amount of technical issue and a large amount of tasks. Then this swarm intelligence solve the our daily problem in the using AI innovation. And then the hyper personalization. The hyper personalization is like robots that adapt their functionality, appearance, and interaction styles to unique needs and performance of an individual user. It provides our best individual like appearance and integration styles and talking with our like uh, performance and individual user. Now you're gonna go to the last one of ethical AI integration, focusing RDA and efficiency RDA efforts on building trust through transformant, explainable, and ethical complement within robotic system. Now we're gonna move to the next one. Like, what is the role? How we clean? How we can all help robots get better? Now we're gonna talk about the how we are make the innovation like better to the our next generation and ourselves also. Innovation is a shared responsibility that extends beyond the lab. Everyone has part of play in forcing that environment necessary for robotics to achieve and reach its full potential. Those are invest in education, foster collaboration, shape policy wisely, and provide real world feedback. And now we're gonna talk about the first one called invest in education support system. Uh, support system programs and continuous professional development to ensure a steady supply of skilled robotics and specialized and engineers. And we're gonna talk about the next one called foster collaboration, encouraging partnership between the academic research and industrial leaders and startup to um, accelerate the transfer of theoretical idea into commercial products. And we're gonna talk about the next one called shape policy wisely. The shape policy wisely is engage in discussion about regularization, avoiding for flexible framework that ensuring safety without shifting rapid technology experimentation. Then we're gonna move to the last one called provide real world feedback as user and operation providing continuation feedback robotic system is vital for guiding the next cycle to the robots. Now we're gonna go through these all four uh, example for that. By embracing these roles, we ensuring that innovation in robotics is not just continuous but also directed towards building a more efficient new world to future for our all. And this is our topic. And thank you.